Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So, today I have a very quick tip for the Figma users, and I am sure most of the people miss to know this. But you know, when we make a screen with all your layers and your frames inside of Figma, and then you need to use that as a JPEG, like maybe you are mocking up a graphic or social media post or whatever, we do export of that design and then import that in Figma artboard to use it as JPEG. If I want to use this as a image, so usually what we do is select the frame and from right side here we export the image in whatever format we want to use. So export it and then drag it back in the artboard. So now we can make some text or whatever we want. So this is the way we are doing. Now I have a quick tip for you. We can do this without exporting and importing. Also, I'm not going to use any plugin for this. So let's see how to do it. Suppose we have this design and now we want to post this on Instagram. So what will we do is select the frame and right click. Here you can see copy paste option. So click on it, just hover on it. You will see here copy as PNG. So click on it and now go to some clean space on the same artboard and paste here. Yes, you can see this is an image. Now we can use this. So we did not need to export and then again import. Let me show you again. I want these both frames use as image. So first of all I will do is select both and make a frame selection. Here is a new frame. Now I will select this new frame and right click. Here copy paste as. Now copy as PNG and paste here. So here is the image we have. This tip is very useful when we want to use our design in any graphic or any thumbnail or any post like this. I hope you liked today's video. If you like it, please hit the like button and share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.